Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python. First, download and install Python from its official website, which is a straightforward process taking only a few minutes. Next, choose a good code editor, such as Visual Studio Code, to write and manage your Python files efficiently. Python is known for its clear, readable syntax, making it an excellent first language for many aspiring programmers. Start by writing simple "Hello, World" programs to get comfortable with the environment. Now, let's dive into the core concepts. Begin by understanding Python's basic data types, such as numbers, text, and true/false values. Next, learn how to use variables to hold and manage these different types of data within your programs. Mastering control flow, including if-else conditions and loops like for and while, is crucial for making your programs dynamic. Finally, learn to create and use functions to break down complex tasks into smaller, reusable pieces. Consistent practice is key to solidifying your knowledge. Start by tackling coding challenges on popular online platforms. These help reinforce your understanding of concepts. Then, move on to building small, personal projects like a simple game or a data analysis script. Don't be afraid of errors. Debugging is a vital skill that teaches you how to identify and resolve issues in your code. Consider joining a coding community to share ideas and learn from peers. As you grow, explore Python's vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks. Libraries like Pandas for data manipulation or Django for web development can significantly extend your capabilities. Engaging with the open-source community by contributing to projects offers invaluable real-world experience. Always keep learning and stay current with new Python versions and coding standards. Finally, consider specializing in a particular field, such as machine learning or automation, to deepen your expertise.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.